Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips 760 watt coffee maker. The model number for this particular coffee maker is HD7431/20. There's an image of the coffee maker right on the box over here, as you can see. This is a black coffee maker. Hopefully the one we'll get inside is black as well. And do we have any more information? Okay, we have some over here. It says aroma twister circulates the coffee for an optimal taste. Drip stop to interrupt the brewing. Auto off, auto shut off in 30 minutes. Dishwasher safe parts. And it's written over here, it's a 640 to 760 watt coffee maker. And that is all the information on the box. I will now open it and show you what's inside. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have some warranty information from Philips over here. And you also have a user manual for the HD7432, which is this particular model over here. Everything that you want to know is listed. You should read this thoroughly and carefully. Okay, and now let's take a look at the coffee maker itself. So there are two components to a coffee maker. This is the main unit, and this is of course the coffee jar. Let me show you the jar first. So this is the bowl that it comes in. So once coffee is made, it will basically pour into this bowl, and then you can take it out and serve it to whoever, wherever you want to. This particular coffee jar is good for 7 cups of coffee, which is maximum. It is very small and compact. This is made out of heat grade glass as well. Also notice it has this switch operated lid and a glossy piano black finish. A very elegant design. There you go. This is what the coffee maker looks like. It has this very sleek piano black finish to it, as you can see. There's the Philips logo right over here. This is the base. There are like 6 anti-slip stops. It also comes with a pretty long cable with a 3-pin socket on one end. And this flap is where all the components go in. This is a spoon for when you want to pour coffee inside the filter. This is the coffee filter that you'll be using to make coffee. And what else is there? Do we have any more components? There is another bowl over here as well. Okay, so this is the second filter that will go through. So the idea is that you put this over here, then put this and put coffee and hot water over here, and you're basically good to go. Let me just put this in properly. There you go. Now you're basically good to go. You just lock it in, close it, put the jar over here, connect it to a power outlet, and press this one button over here, and that's it. You're good to go with your coffee machine. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips 760 watt coffee maker. The model number is HD7431/20.